When I started trading, I remember starting at charts. I can see the time frames 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. And at that point, I have no idea that what they actually mean, for which purpose people can use it. I thought that maybe I need a right chart to win, but this is completely wrong because the time frames are not just about picking a right chart. They tell a story, and if you can't read that story, you can always enter too late in the trade or exit too soon from the trade. But don't worry, after years of mistakes, I finally learned it, and today in this video, give me a few minutes, I will teach you exactly everything you need to know about it. And once you understand it, you can trade with confidence. So let's get started. So what is time frame? First, you need to understand about time frames. So time frames actually show price movement in a specific period of time. Like, I mean, for example, let's say 1 minute charts, you can see candles. So each candle can show the price movement of 1 minute. If you can click on the 1 hour time frame chart, so in our 1 hour time frame chart, each candle can show you the price movement of 1 hour. So when you are changing the time frames on the chart, so actually you are changing the story on the charts. And here is the third: different traders can pick different time frames based on their strategy. Now there are four traders who can use different time frames. The first one is scalpers. Scalpers are those people who want fast move, and for that purpose they can use the time frames of 1 minute to 5 minutes. Like, I mean, these people can trade in 1 minute chart, or some trader can trade in a 5 minute chart. So if you are a beginner, I'm suggesting to you guys that stay away from scalping because this is too risky, and it can wipe out all of your income. The second type of traders are day traders. Day traders are those people who can buy and sell the trade in the same day, nothing left overnight. And also the day trading is less riskier than scalping, and for that purpose the trader can use time frames of 4 hours to 1 day charts. And if you are a beginner and you can control your emotions, so you can also start from day trading. The third one, which is my favorite, swing trading. Swing trading means you can hold a trade for few days or few weeks to even few months. And like, I mean, this is less riskier than day trading and also scalping. And I also love it because in swing trading you don't need to sit back in front of the screen all the day. And also the swing trading is perfect for beginner is just because you have time to think. You don't need fast decision, and for that purpose in swing trading traders can use the time frame of 1 day to 1 week charts. And the last one is position trade. If you want to be an investor, and if you want a big move, so the position trade is perfect for you. And that's because big investor can do the same. So for that purpose they never watch the charts of 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. They never watch it. They just watch 1 week or 1 month charts for their position trades. And this is a long-term game. If you are a patient investor, so this is perfect for you. And if you have no patience, then this is not for you. So these are the four time frames I can explain it. And now you understand that for which purpose people can use the 1 minute time frame chart, and for which purpose people can use 1 hour and 1 day, 1 week and 1 month. So now you understand and clear the road. But there is a secret which is most traders don't understand on it, which is multi time frame analysis. Well, you know what, the pro traders can use more than one time frames before they're taking a trade, and this is called multi time frame analysis. And this is simple. Like, I mean, the higher time frames, I mean, 1 day, 1 week, one month time frame charts are they going to use for trend direction. Middle time frames they're going to use for setup, and the lower time frames, I mean the 5 minute, 15 minute time frame chart, they're going to use for entry. This is the formula which pro traders can use. And it's like planning a trip. Like, I mean, checking the highways, then the street, and then your final turn. So you have confidence, you understand on each and everything, then you can take a trade. And that's how you can trade with clarity, not guessing work. So bro, my suggestion to all of beginners, if you are beginner and if you wanna want that you don't lose money, then start with swing trade. It can teach you patience, you have time to think, and also you understand on the market. And also you can start from day trading. But you know what? If you have no patience, and I know most of beginners have no patience, and just because of that they can lose money. So if you can control your emotion, then you can also start from day trading. But if you can't control your emotion, then start with swing trade. But scalping, I'm suggesting to you guys, don't start, because it can wipe out all of your investment, and I don't want it. So bro, trading is not about guessing work, it about building a system. Also understanding the story which time frame telling to you on the chart. If you can understand on it, then you can trade with confidence. But if you can't understand the story, you are confused and you have no idea. Just like me, a few years ago, I'm confused. So guys, I hope you gonna like the video, and if you are new here, subscribe my YouTube channel, and comment me if you have any question. Best of luck.